Hey guys, it's Cooper Codes, and today is day 21 of the challenge. So before the video, I just put in some basic bootstrap boilerplate code, and I really just started making my website. So I was basing the website off of what I posted in the Discord, just like a simple thing. I might show it here, but only for like a second because it's like in super fast speed, as you guys usually know. Okay, yeah, I make sure everything works. It gets to what I want it to be in the nav bar. I actually wanted to do some drop down stuff, so I was looking at all the different type of drop downs. I wasn't really happy with most of them. Yeah, let's see what I do here. Yeah, so I ended up liking this one the most, so I decided to stay with it, and I do some customizations on it, and eventually get to a point where I'm like, alright, that looks good. Good. So I was trying to do some customizations to the button, but like the middle little arrow in the button wouldn't move with it, which is kind of strange. So I kind of just didn't mess with it. I just added a little border to it, and that's about it. Then, so for the three things, I decided to use cards. Yep, there you go. You can see the little website there. And I do like lots of moving around my windows, so this might be hard to watch. Sorry. So yeah, I had some issues like getting the list items not to. Oh yeah, so this is kind of embarrassing looking back. So I was supposed to be doing list style is none, but I was doing text decoration is none. And so I was like really confused, like why is this not working? I was like looking on Stack Overflow, and I realized it was because I was saying text decoration and not list style. Because I was trying to get and then finally it works. Then I do they're each like their own little thing, so I do that, and then I just type some boiler or like some code stuff in there. I realize it's overflowing, and so I look up overflow and I add a little scroll bar on it. I'm gonna get a custom scroll bar probably soon. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so it doesn't look like so blocky, but you know, even right now it doesn't look so bad, and you're able to like scroll through your project, see what it is. I was doing some padding stuff, and I said, nah, it looks fine. I was having a hard time getting it low. I wanted it a little farther to the left. I'm gonna like have to look up how to do that, because I was like doing like padding and all this stuff, and like wasn't quite working. So I made the current tasks. I pretty much copied the code, but I made their height a little smaller. And then I kind of got it so that it was in the center, as you guys can see. Now I kind of wanted the button to be on the right, so all the delete buttons aligned. But I kind of just said, okay, for now I can always look back at the design. And I ended just having the button be right next to where the end of the text was, because I couldn't really figure out how to get this button in the right spot. And one weird thing I was running into is when I was adding a div, it would start on a new line. So that was not very helpful. So yeah. You know, actually thinking back, I think I have a solution for that problem, is to put it all inside of one div and then do text align left for the text and text align right for the button. You know what? I'll do that tomorrow. Okay. But yeah, that was an issue I was having as a button, so. Now, in the wireframe, whatever you want to call that picture, the picture I made for the design, I had these little buttons at the bottom that you press and it would pop something up, so I made them. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I just made some basic let's see here, some basic stuff for the right. Pretty cool. And I also made a footer, or attempted to make a footer. Yeah, so here I just put made by Cooper Codes. I could always like put actual like real stuff in there, like support or stuff like that, frequently asked questions, but for now it just is made by Cooper Codes. Alright, so then I was having some issues actually getting it to go to the bottom of the page. Eventually I found some code that kind of worked, but then I don't know, I wasn't really like trying to mess with the footers forever, and I was already like an hour, I think it was like an hour and 20-minute long coding session. So yeah, that is the website. And tomorrow I'll be getting into the actual JavaScript code of the website and like trying to make everything work. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.